So one of the things that will help you to understand this thing as fast as possible is when you pay for the TradingView Premium, you'll be able to get access to this replay tool. You understand? Whereby you can replay the candlestick. And how to do that, you come to this menu here. So when you click on this place, it's going to show you a drop down menu. Then you click on the name. It's going to bring out your name. Then you go to explore our plans. So if you are doing this on system, so when you go to that, then you are going to see the next page. Excuse me. So then you see the next page, right? You can see the first one is essential, the second one is plus, premium, ultimate, but you don't need all this one. You only need the essential. So if you are paying for annual, you are going for per annum, so they will give you 17% discount, right? Instead of you paying $14 per month, you'll be paying 12.95 per month, right? Roughly $13 per month.
Okay.
But if you want to just go for only 1 month, you come to this place and select monthly. Can you see this place? Monthly. You understand? This is annual. So when you click on monthly, it's going to, if you take it to annually, there will be discount. It will be $12 per month. But if you change it to monthly, it's going to be $14 per month. So you can start depending on your capacity. So if you have the money to do 1 year, Kukuma do the 1 year once and for all. And if you know that, okay, let's you want to start with monthly subscription, just pay $14 per month and get access to the TradingView premium version, whereby you have access to this replay tool. Now the replay tool is going to help you to get this done. Let's say I want to go back to the data of 2025 or maybe 2024, right? My duty is just for me to excuse me, to click on the replay button here. Can you see it? Hello, ma'am.
Yes, I can see it.
Okay, good.
I put
So
the something on mute, so
no,
nobody will
don't need to
disturb.
put it on mute. Don't put on. I want to know. It's a one-on-one. I want to be sure that you're active. So don't put it on
Okay.
mute. So you are the only one in the class. So
Okay.
then,
I don't want people in the house to come and talk and spoil the
okay,
video.
no problem.
That's
Okay,
why.
you can mute it then. So
Mm,
then you click on remote. I mean, this replay. You understand? Let's say I
mm,
want to go to what's it called, 2024 data. So I will just
mm,
drag it and click where I want the price to start from. You understand?
mm,
So the moment you
mm,
click on this replay, you are going to see the property at the bottom here. Can you
mm.
see select bar? You
Yes.
understand? You can see this place. It's asking you to play, to keep on playing. You understand? Let's say you want to be playing the candlestick. You can see the way he's playing it now, playing it forward.
Mm,
You understand? So, but if you don't
mm,
want to, if you want to be playing it by yourself, you can use the button at the front, this one. So you just be
mm,
pressing it one after the other. Can you see the way he's playing it now?
mm, mhm.
Can you see the way he's playing one
Yes.
after the other? So it will help you to understand this thing very well, and it will help you to spot what's it called, the patterns that I want to start showing you, right? So
Mm,
if you want to take it back, so you select the select bar, this first option, you select it. So once you select it, it's going to activate the replay tool. You see a vertical line. So anywhere you want to
mm,
start it from, maybe you want to start it from May. If you look at the bottom, you're going to see the date here, isn't it?
mm.
This is
Yes.
Wednesday 01 May 24.
Mm,
If you want to start from May 1st, 2024, so just click there, click on it. It will take the candlestick
mm,
to that zone. Can you see it now? So
mm,
then you start the journey from there. Blah blah blah.
mm.
So that's how it works. So this is the first lesson. So how to set up, how to pay for your trading view. So I'm going to stop the recording now.